Welcome to The Curious Mind, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of philosophy, science, and the mysteries that make us question everything. Today we're exploring an ancient thought experiment that challenges our understanding of identity and change. The Ship of Theseus. Imagine a grand ship, the legendary Ship of Theseus, proudly sailing the seas. Over time, the ship begins to wear down. The crew starts replacing its wooden planks one by one, until eventually every single plank, sail, and mast has been replaced. Now, here's the question. Is this still the same Ship of Theseus, or is it an entirely new ship? This thought experiment, first posed by the Greek philosopher Plutarch, has puzzled thinkers for centuries. It challenges us to think about what it means for something to retain its identity even as it undergoes change. This question doesn't just apply to ships. Think about yourself. Over the years, every cell in your body has been replaced. Your experiences, thoughts, and even your personality might have changed. But despite all this, you still consider yourself the same person, don't you? The Ship of Theseus forces us to consider, what is it that truly defines identity? Is it the material substance, the wood of the ship or the cells in your body? Or is it something more abstract, like the form, function, or essence? But the paradox doesn't end there. Imagine if the old replaced planks of the Ship of Theseus were used to build a new ship. Which one, then, is the true Ship of Theseus? The one that's been continuously repaired, or the one rebuilt with the original parts? This variation of the thought experiment adds another layer of complexity, forcing us to question whether identity is tied to continuity over time or to the material components that make something up. Philosophers throughout history have offered different interpretations. Some argue that identity is rooted in continuity. The ship remains the same as long as it maintains its function and structure over time. Others suggest that identity is linked to the original material, meaning the new ship, built from the old planks, is the true Ship of Theseus. This debate isn't just theoretical. It has real-world implications. Think about restoring a classic car or renovating a historical building. At what point does it stop being the original and become something entirely new? So what do you think? Is identity something that can persist through change, or is it tied to the original components? And how does this apply to our own lives as we grow and change over time? The Ship of Theseus invites us to ponder these questions and reminds us that identity, whether of a ship, a person, or an idea, is a complex and fascinating concept. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the depths of philosophical thought. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other philosophical puzzles would you like to explore? Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.